It's blueberry and
peach. And green apple.
Lo, nawala yung charger ba? Uy, nakakat...
okay guys, so today we're gonna play.
Cheese escape.
Okay. Now let's go guys.
Let's go.
Yay, we're in.
Going to the right there. Bye bye. Oh my gosh. You are so cool.
I got the first cheese brownie.
Why? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Safe zone.
Okay.
OMG, where is Peach?
Oh my god. I almost died because of you.
Where's Peach?
Peaches at the safe zone, I think. Okay guys, let's go.
Buti kakala ko naman.
Let's wait for Peach.
Okay, let's go guys. Whee! I think the green. Okay, we're here.
Kuha.
Wait, hold on. Oh my
Let's go.
Oh. Okay guys, we're here. At the we're place.
I can't see.
We did this before. It's my favorite game, I think.
Hindi ko pa ito nalalaro. I've never played this game before.
It's kind of good. Okay, there's the red key.
I
No.
always play this game in my old account.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
I died.
Okay, I'm back.
The cup that's there.
Yun. Be! Now we go here to get the cheese.
The green shoe.
Wait lang.
Dude, I hate this obby. It's like, it's so hard. Where are you?
Nasaan ka?
Here. Follow me.
Okay. Peaches, 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 peaches. Okay, I'm gonna do this in first person because it's very hard.
Oh my gosh. What the frick is that? A mouse.
Oh my gosh, I hate this game.
Ako na everyone. Ay, anong ginagawa mo? Follow me. Ah!
Peaches, 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 peaches.
You guys, you don't really have.
Be, huwag mo ko iwan dito.
Okay, guys, we got the
Collect the
6 cheese. Okay, try to get going. Where's the red key?
Okay, hey. Hey! Daddy! Come back here!
Hey! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Ah! Oh my gosh! Gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Haha! Papas. Oh my gosh! I almost died.
Go.
There's nothing. Okay, where's the red door?
Dali.
Peaches, 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 peaches. Where are you?
Oh!
Where are you?
Dito ako.
No code.
Pili code. 38. 38.
I sneezed. Bakit ang bagal ko? Bagal ko ah. Where's the red door?
Tapos pili. Yeah.
Where the hell is the red door? Oh, there it is.
There. Collect. Key muna. Yung key muna. Yung key. Yung red key muna. Tapos yung Coca-Cola. Pwede.
Saan ako magpupunta dito?
You go down. Okay, now let's go here. Now back. Again.
Back to deck.
Oh my god, Peach died.
Yung na sa inyo.
Okay. Peach left, so it's just me and Green Apple. Spear. Okay. What the frick? Peaches, peaches.
Yeah!
Favoritism thing.
What are you playing? Yummy, what are you playing?
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Can I see?
Oh yeah, you're playing with somebody.
Peaches, 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 peaches.
How dare you! I will kill you!
What the frick? Leave na ako. Okay, guys. I died. Okay, let's go get this. Dude, I died. Wait, is it still... Okay, it's not open.
Ano daw?
Wala akong pagpapalit.
Wala kang pagpapalo?
Wala akong pagpapalit. Wala akong...
Papalit. Oh my gosh, I actually hate this game.
Wala nga daw, madami na daw kasi. Hindi, kung wala ka na naman naman.
Weeb weeb. Oh my gosh, bro got broken. Okay. So we're here now. All we need to do is just press the button again. Hold on.
Eh, wala nga ako, ano,
Okay. Just need button again. Is it timer?
Yan. Ito. No! Hindi.
Oh my gosh, bro. Okay, I think Pierre left for green apples, so yeah, I'm alone now.
Thank you! Sa pa, ano pa?
Okay, here's the last one.
Kita oh, kulit.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Damit, yung damit. Damit. Ano yung lupa?
Okay, we can just juke his ankles. Come on. Is it here?
Saan yung badminton?
Okay, come on, come on.
Ano ko?
It's gotta be here. It's gotta be here somewhere.
Panty ko.
Okay, this is just. Are you guys gonna buy chips?
O hindi mo dinala yung ulo mo, guacamole sa ano sa kanya. He's gone! He actually gone.
Okay, I haven't found the exit yet. Okay. Once again, we're gonna make a part 2. Sheesh! Oh my gosh, bro. Okay. See now. I think the gate is open. It's open. Yes! Okay, we completed it. Finally! Dude, that took some. Yeah, I guess. Well, my god, dude, are you serious? Okay. We did it guys, so yeah. I'm gonna make identity from part 2 next. Bye bye. And also with Peach.